In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually generate more leads to your online business. See why you're not actually generating leads. I'm going to explain to you the process on how it actually works. Hopefully you would actually grab it and start making more leads or having more people go to your site, go to your links, and hopefully start making sales, right? That's the ultimate game that we're trying to do. So if you guys are new to this channel, my name is David Gutierrez. I talk about affiliate marketing, different ways to make money online, passive income, and online businesses here on this channel. Today we're going to be talking about leads, right? Traffic and how to get traffic from social media platforms, engine platforms onto your funnels and into your whatever your links, your store, to obviously generate more leads, right? That is actually the name of the game, and that's what ultimately what we want to do. We want to make more sales so we can make money online, right? So we're gonna go ahead and kind of dig deep. I'm gonna explain to you guys a little bit on what I've actually learned through my process as being an affiliate marketer, the good, the bad, the ugly, and then we'll kind of go on from there. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer here. I'm gonna actually explain to you a little bit more as I'm gonna show you what I've done, how I've learned it, and hopefully actually give you some content, some info here to kind of help you out on your side. So let's jump in here on my computer. So this is basically my main YouTube page here. So in order for you to attract traffic, right? So these are my books. I actually read a lot of audiobooks, and I have been reading the .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, and from Russell Brunson. So if you guys don't know who he is the founder and also the creator of ClickFunnels, which is a software where you can create your funnels and drive traffic through them to your products, right? So if you guys want to actually learn more, read about them or whatever, I'm going to leave a link down in the description here so you guys could actually check it out. Just a disclosure, I am an affiliate marketer for this link here, so if you guys do click on it and make a purchase, I will get a commission off that. But also, this is going to be the book that's going to help you out in the long run, right? We're actually paying and investing in ourselves so we can actually generate or make 2, 3, 4 times the ROI, okay? So driving traffic, right? Obviously, driving traffic is king if you're actually online, you have your online business and everything. That is what it is, right? Now, do we need 1 million followers in order for us to make sales? No, we just have to attract the right people, right? The right customer, as Russell says here in the books. Attract your right customer. Who is your right customer so you can attract them and obviously make sales from them, helping them and moving them forward, right? The biggest thing what we're doing as affiliate marketers here is you're trying to get a right product in front of the right person to solve their problem, right? Everybody has a problem that they want to solve, and of course you want to be that person that puts the product in front of them. Whether you're trying to lose weight, hey, look at these supplements, look at this new training video. If you're trying to make more money online, for whatever reason, you're trying to get away from the 9-to-5 job, put your kids into college, whatever the case is, right? Check out this course that I took that helped me go from A to Z, right? So traffic is king. Now let's go ahead and get into this. I want to actually focus a lot more on Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. I'm going to actually click on the PDF here. And this is not going to show you the entire, oh look, I already kind of pulled it up right here. This is not the entire product. They just kind of show you the pictures throughout the book, but of course I listen to it when I'm on the road. So as far as getting traffic to your store, right? You have to attract the right customer, but you have to know where they're coming from. What I'm trying to say is from that is, are they hot, warm, cold traffic, right? Hot and warm traffic, they pretty much know what they want. They know they have a problem. They know they're looking for a solution, and you have to be that person that gets in front of them, right? Hot traffic is they've seen you before, they know what you do, and they just need a little of not persuasion, but either actually give them the info so they can either make that decision, yes, I want to move forward, or no, I don't want to move forward, right? Cold traffic on the other side is people that don't even know that you exist. They don't know that they have a problem, and you actually have to get in front of them and actually work a little bit harder to have them understand why this product is a solution for their problems, right? So the biggest thing that I've seen, and that's actually happened to, well, not that happened to me, but a lot of mistakes that I've done throughout the past, as far as my experience and all that stuff, is right here. That's called hook, story, offer. So where are you promoting, right? I'm in the Make Money Online, so of course I promote Make Money Online, the courses that I took that I recommend, and I actually tell other people, whoever is looking to make more money, right? Make money online or whatever the case is, right? Right now, TikTok is the the hot topic for right now, right? You can get a lot of eyeballs on your videos, but you have to get the right eyeballs. You have to put out the right message so you can actually attract the right customers, go through your funnel, your links, and of course, give them enough information for them to actually buy, right? And right here is the big thing that I've actually noticed. Hook, story, offer, okay? Since TikTok, if you guys are not familiar with TikTok, TikTok is a platform, an ad platform, social media platform where you can post 15 to 60 second videos. And in those 15 to 60 second videos, you have to explain to them what you're doing on there, right? So of course, hook, story, offer. People are just swiping, right? They're just swiping, going. You have to hook them. So as soon as they come out to your video, you have to hook them with something that actually keeps them on your video, right? So for example, here, let me take you onto my TikTok. So because I like to be a little bit more visual. So let me see, this is the other one that I have. So on this one right here, right? If you're looking through my videos, what is the first thing? Well, let this thing load up here. I don't know why this thing's kind of messing up. There we go. So as you're looking through my videos, what is the first thing that you see, right? You see stuff like, hey, make $100 an hour as a teenager. That is the hook, right? You're hooking them. I pretty much stopped scrolling to see what that is about. That is the hook. After you hook them, you want to tell your story, right? What are you actually trying to tell? So from now in that actual area, now you're going to explain to them how they can actually make $100 as a teenager, right? Oh yeah, I'm interested. Start diving in. So it looks like Google certification ads. You can start becoming a person that runs ads for different companies, and stuff like that. So look, and then at the end, link in the bio. So that is the third section, offer, right? You got them the hook, you got them to stop scrolling, you explain to them the story, and now you're actually sending them an offer, right? Click the link in my description so you can go and continue or move forward, right? Let's check out another one. Let me see. Make money by selling your own poop, right? That is a big hook. A lot of people are pretty much kind of stopping and they're kind of checking it out, right? That's a big thing. Like, hey, how do you do that? Tell them the story, and then at the end, give them the offer. That is one that I didn't do in the beginning, but as I was starting to read and going through my experience, I've noticed that if you continue to implement that, it will work, and you will start attracting the right people. Now, of course, I'm in the make money online, right? So I'm an affiliate marketer, but I'm also there's also different ways that I can make money online, and that's why I post stuff like that, right? So that is actually one of the biggest things that I've noticed, that a lot of people are not getting leads. A lot of people are just posting content out there hoping that somebody's gonna like them, hoping that's gonna click on it and go through it. But the thing is, you have to see it as a customer's point of view. If I'm a customer, I have to get hooked, the story and the offer to kind of go through there. And after you put yourself out there, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, whatever, start having that omnipresence, people are going to start seeing you, going to start trusting you, noticing you, and they're going to continue to go, and they're going to move forward into your offer, whatever you're selling. So that is one of the big keys that I have seen that has actually increased my business just by traffic, if that actually makes sense. So if I'm actually losing you a little bit, please write a comment down in the bottom here. Let me know where you're getting lost. I could explain a little bit more, maybe make another video explaining that if you're getting lost or whatever. But if you're not, that is actually one of the biggest things. So trying to getting more leads to your funnels, getting more leads to your store and your company. So other than that, implement that, right? If you really do want to dive into that, I really recommend you checking out this Expert Secrets from Russell Brunson. He's pretty much a multi-millionaire that's actually created these funnels. He studied this and he understands it, and there's just so much information in there that actually shows you and teaches you and stuff that I was reading through it and I've noticed, oh wow, I've been doing this the wrong way. So check it out. There's going to be a link down in the description. If you guys are interested in becoming an affiliate marketer, for example, like myself, where I promote products, I do not hold any inventory, any shipment, I don't deal with any customers, I don't do any of that. I'm pretty much just refer the right person to the right product, and when they go and they click through my link and they buy, I make a commission. That's an affiliate marketer. If you guys are interested on doing that, there's going to be also a link down in the description here where you can actually click on that, go through the course that I took, what I recommend, and then of course it's going to teach you how, where, and what to do. So other than that, it's gonna be all my time for today. Implement that hook story offer. Try that on your actual stories, Try that in your business, on your funnels, and you're gonna see an actual big difference and an increase on traffic that goes into your funnels. Not just any traffic, but the right traffic. That's also what we want. So until then, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Like I said, if you guys haven't actually subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. It really helps out with the algorithm and the YouTube channel, and also like this video so I can put out more content like this and give you more information and more value on that. So till then, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks, guys.